part 2. Let's get it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video yesterday. So now today I'm gonna be doing gingerbread house. Watching my Vlogmas yesterday, you know where I found this at, but and it's 3 of them. So my sisters are gonna be in this video. We're all gonna be making gingerbread houses. Maybe my nephew and my nieces might be there to help each and every one of us, because there's 3 of us gonna be in this video. And then we're gonna get a special judge to judge the gingerbread house. Okay, so I hope you guys are excited, because I'm excited too, and I think my gingerbread house is going to win. Okay, gingerbread house. Woo! The winning team is over here. So we got what's the name of your side? Candy team. Ready team. Candy always ready. You said ready team. Manny, what about you?
Gingerbread house.
Gingerbread house. We're the gingerbread house team. Our name? No, that's not your name. What's your name? What was our name?
Mrs. Gingerbread.
Mrs. Gingerbread house.
No, not gingerbread house. Mrs. Gingerbread.
Oh, Mrs. Gingerbread. So explain again.
We are going to open up the gingerbread house kit, and we are going to start creating this house however we can, because we've never done it before. None of us have. None of the children have. So this is our first time, and we're just gonna go with the flow.
And after we're done creating, there's gonna be a judge to judge the most creative house. Okay?
Can we copy this?
No, you do your own thing.
We have to be creative. Remember, we have the candy ready.
Ready?
Is it candy or is it ready? Which one is it?
Ready, set, go!
How many minutes do we have?
Wow!
Wait, be careful. Can you show them what we got?
Yeah, let's show them.
Okay, first.
Gingerbread house.
Why you helping them? Don't help them.
And we got all this.
Don't help.
And all of that. All right.
Don't pay attention to that.
Sorry.
Right here, and we're.
We could be like the gate man. Like that.
Hold on, be careful.
Okay, so basically, this is what we used to.
Okay, man.
Talk with 15
Okay,
15 minutes to do
you guys.
this gingerbread house.
Okay.
Okay, so. Here. Perfect, so we're gonna do this.
We need help.
I don't want you to see. You got it.
Are you talking about us?
Is that everything?
Yeah.
Stop copying
Ain't
us.
nobody copying you.
Okay, now you can.
That's why their nicknames are copycat.
Get this over
Here.
here.
They like to copy everybody.
Give me that, Manny.
And they're not
Put it on the
original.
thing, okay?
I think ours.
Okay,
Manny, put it down. Manny, you put it on the thing. Oh, wait.
Mommy, I put ours.
It's not coming.
so I'll go here.
It's not
I'll put the ice in for you.
What is that?
Now,
You didn't get this?
focus.
So maybe I don't feel.
It's icing.
Okay.
Why is it so hard?
Okay, cool.
What is
Okay,
the
this is definitely taking too long.
What did you use to do that?
This is the gingerbread house that everyone is so pressed to do, right?
He does like, you guys need to hurry up.
Look at my way.
No, keep going. You got this. Keep going.
We said
Good job, promise. I know you can do this. So these are Christmas lights.
10 minutes remaining.
It's okay, buddy.
Alright, here you go. I'll open this one for you too. Use it. Let me know if you want to use something else.
Are you guys eating?
No, no one's eating.
No.
We need to make sure we do this on the other side.
No, for
But then
real.
I have this. Wait.
15 seconds left.
Okay, this is what I want you to do. Next.
This is hard.
It's not hard. Alright, scoot over.
Be confident, guys.
Hold on, wait, hold on.
We're gonna do this quick.
Okay, I want you to put candy all over that, okay?
I want you to.
We're gonna do it.
No, I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 1 what to do, right?
Ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try the green.
This is a mess. This is a mess.
Okay, which one do you want to use
Where's
next?
the other gingerbread are gonna be?
Here you go.
Yeah.
That's the
Okay.
Okay.
That's enough.
Yep. So keep holding it. All right, we need something else. What else do we need? Okay. Okay.
You guys both touch gingerbread, so you can do.
Who's that touching my bread?
Okay. So look.
Oh,
Look,
wait,
focus.
that's Kiara.
Focus.
Focus, Maddie, focus.
distracted. Focus.
3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the from the gingerbread.
Team number 1, anything you want to say?
Us, it's gonna be the best.
Turn it. Shush, shush. Well, move away.
Team 1, Candy ready?
Yes.
Show yourself. Team 1.
Oh, it fell. Leave it down. It
Wait,
fell.
leave it down.
It fell. That's okay. Now turn it. It fell. No,
Team 1. Team 1.
We actually
Team
failed.
1. Turn yourself.
Gingerbread Candy House.
Turn.
Yeah, it fell.
Keep turning.
The gingerbread could not last long, but it's okay. It's okay. This is a candy
It's
house,
real cows.
and we're very proud of our work. And I know we got this.
Woo! Team 3.
You want to explain? Go ahead. Explain our house.
We tried our best to make this gingerbread.
Turn it around. You guys have to turn it.
Keep talking.
Keep the camera
We
pointing
tried
at
our
me.
best to make this gingerbread, but we had no time, so we did Juffle.
Woo!
Good job.
Gingerbread house. Explain, Manny.
We went since we
Okay,
were almost there, but we went.
This is a winterland gingerbread house. A winterland. You see how nothing is falling as you move? There we go.
The shade.
To applaud all the participants. Good job, adults. I believe the way that I have to look at this must be based off of creativity. So, I believe we have the Candy Ready team. And then we have the Gingerbread house. And then we have Miss Gingerbread. So, Miss Gingerbread, as I'm looking, that one gingerbread looked like it was crying with red blood in its eyes, so not too sure what was going on there. I like the peppermint on the windows, and I really do like the fact that all your pieces have stuck together. Candy Ready.
Yes.
What I really like about Candy Ready is you held up to your name. I see candy all over this wonderful gingerbread house. I also appreciate the fact that some of your greens looks like trees at the bottom. So you want to give yourself the landscape effect.
That's right.
I'm seeing that.
That's right.
The gingerbread house. I love the sprinkles all over. Right? I do also appreciate the chimneys looking things we got going on here. Right? Now, one thing I say about this gingerbread house is you really did your time in taking care of almost every side of the house. And I feel that your roof is of the most exquisite nature. Very well placed together. So, my top 2, and then we'll do a drum roll for the winner. Top 2 will be
Don't nobody cry, please.
Gingerbread house. And Miss Gingerbread.
It's okay.
It was good.
There are no losers here.
There's no losers.
No. We're still proud.
You're still proud.
Right,
Woo!
Kizzy?
Come on, Kizzy.
Good work. So drum roll please as we announce the winner. The winner will end up being none other than Miss Gingerbread. Congratulations to our participants in our winner. Explain the brains behind this wonderful creation.
That's right.
And how you put it together and work together
Good job,
in
you
this
guys.
15-minute
job.
time that you had.
So, the way we did this, right, I wanted to make sure that this was Promise's vision, that I was basically the architect behind her vision. So she wanted to do Christmas lights on the roof, and she started off doing the gummy bears. And then we went from there. And then she also wanted to do Christmas lights all over, but we didn't have enough gummy bears, so we decided to use a different type of bear.
Watching to the very end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.